Hi, Neil from Challenger 4-wheel drive. How you going? This is tech video number 8, which is the installation of a flexible aluminium car floor mount for the iPad. So it's 14 mil. Probably just got to loosen it off a bit anyway. Flexible aluminium car floor mount, universal tablet mount, smartphone also. Okay, sounds right. That's the main flexible mount. For a simple mount that can be easily moved to another vehicle, install using the passenger seat track. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, one more should do it. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Okay, so I've got the mount on. Trying to do this before the sun goes down. There we go. You can screw this somewhere if you've got a spot. I mean, it looks like my UHF was screwed into the side here, so I suppose down here somewhere you could bring this over to here. I don't know whether I'll do that, but I'll see. That'll be for another day. I just want to basically see what it's like. And it's not going to go in the case, is it? So it's going to have to be like that. And the position is about, that's about right. I thought a rigid mount would be good. You know, it's sturdy, but I might have to brace it with that little bit of conduit. What I've got on here is I've got Gaia GPS. Okay. Yeah, I was desperately trying to finish this before the sun went down. It's gone past 7 o'clock, so. I looked at the suction mounts and I thought, you know, forward driving, corrugations, bumpy tracks, that won't work. So I thought I'd get the floor mount one. This is a cheaper version of the RAM one, but it seems fairly solid. So it's not moving too much, but I think I am going to try and brace it a little bit more. Yeah, it's not too bad. But of course this is a road. You get on a dirt road or even a bumpy track, you can imagine, it'll be bouncing around. But anyway, I'm happy with it. I know the suction mounts now are really good, especially like the RAM suction mount, but the RAM stuff is dear. Okay, so we've got the charging on. I know what tech video number 9 is going to be about. It'll be about battery charging, but I mean it's convenient here because I've got the USB mount under there anyway, which is right next to the iPad, where the iPad is now. But yeah, I'll go over my system for charging batteries, which is a pretty good one, and it works too. I'll put the links to this one in the description box below, and I'll put the links to the RAM one, and you can see the price difference. I went with that conduit and screws to secure the gooseneck to the edge of the transmission tunnel there. Just made it a bit more solid. And that's it in position. Yeah, quite happy with it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.